Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to switch our Twitter account to private. So this is a very simple process and without further ado, let me show you how to do it. So this process works the same both on Mac, Windows, or if you're doing from your mobile device. So the first thing that you wanna do is go ahead and click on More, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, we need to click on Privacy and Safety and go ahead and click on Audience and Tagging. There is an option here called Protect Your Tweets, that when selected, your tweets and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. So if we enable this and click on Protect, now every time someone wants to follow us or like our tweets or see our tweets, needs to be approved by us. So it's like on Instagram, when we have the private account, they will submit a request, we need to either accept it or decline it. So let me know guys if you found this tutorial helpful, and if so, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks.